Oh, that was really stupid. I lost orientation into those trees over there. Guys, welcome to Locust Hobbies. COBRA Viper, very well known shape. It's a in lightweight PLA, 50mm jet in the back there, really low profile landing gear down here, and just a little sort of metal skid at the back, which is fine because it's got a rudder. Eclipson has done a bit of a modular job for this model. I think the first one that they've done a modular job, and I think hands off to Eclipson for that one. The tail sections separately, which means that you can have the retail for only an extra €5 or something. In this video, we'll look at how this, just snippets on how I essentially built this and assembled this. Then hopefully soon I can get a maiden out and we can get a nice video out of that. Eclipson COBRA. Hope you look forward to the video there. So we are in the closing stages. This is the main area to assemble. Essentially you got the EDF down here. And you have to pre-connect the ESC in there, and you have to make sure that it's already tested. They're supposed to have a bottom layer, and I didn't put a bottom layer, so therefore I am reprinting it now. That should be coming along. Now we should be able to assemble most of this. So it's coming along. Quicksand, so it's nice and smooth. So it's coming along alright. She's alive! There she is. We're gonna go for the COBRA Maiden. Everything has been tested on the bench per se. There we go. Yeah, we got fairly, yeah, she's just about ready. There's a bit of wind around, so I'm not quite happy with this, but see how we go. If it crashes and burns, then it makes for pretty good content, doesn't it? Test how she taxis.
Engines are run high.
Doesn't like the grass. We have enough control. Now check. Left, right, up, down. We're really going against the wind here. This is not fun. Alright, this is a real maiden. Ooh, what was that? So we decided to call it. The wind is in the wrong direction of the runway, so which means that we don't have enough runway for this to take off. I'm not really a fan of hand launching it. Yeah, we're just inviting trouble. And as you can see, because it didn't have enough airspeed, I think, the wind was sort of just making it turn like that, so I don't think it's going to work. But next time, that was sort of like 2-second maiden. Get the COBRA up. Alright, so we're gonna give it another go. Here we are. No wind at the moment. Pretty beautiful. Lovely. So we're gonna go and take the COBRA out for maiden. absolute maiden apart from yesterday's disaster. But see how we go. Right, final control systems check. Left, up, right, up. Let's go. Oh, we have a little bit of a a bit of trimming is required here. Yeah, seems good now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Haha. Well. Shit. Shit. Lost orientation, bad pilot. Don't think I'm gonna get that down now. Well, that was really stupid. I lost orientation into those trees over there. I was trying to get it out of there, but nah, lost orientation, my bad, totally pilot error. So now I've lost an EDF, a battery, servos in there, but we'll see. I don't know what the protocol is. There was a really long stick, but it's pretty up high in there. So anyway, that's it.